Did you know the enchanting northern lights, or aurora borealis, produce sounds that few have heard? These mesmerizing light displays, primarily seen in polar regions, are not just visual spectacles. They can also emit low-frequency sounds. The phenomenon occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with gases in the Earth's atmosphere, creating a dazzling display of colors. As this interaction happens, the auroras can generate faint sounds, often described as a soft crackling or hissing noise. While many observers report hearing these sounds, scientific studies suggest they may occur at very low frequencies, making them difficult for the human ear to detect. This unique aspect of the auroras adds an intriguing layer to their beauty and mystery.